Yo, 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 yo. Why is it that this shit never fucking records right? It always cuts off on me. It's like what the fuck? It's like what the fuck? Anyways, trade recap for Friday, guys. We took Rocket. Alright? Nothing much overall. Let's see what I was kind of looking at here. On the daily, you can see we had resistance. We gapped above it, came down, broke above again. Now it started to look interesting. Looking at the 4 hour, boom, shot above. But let's see what happened overnight. As you can see overnight, we were kind of trading under it, approaching this level above the EMAs. This is 7:30 right here, 7:45, 8, 8:15. Boom, market open 8:30. This shit shot the fuck up. Let's look at the 5-minute. Boom, boom, boom. Didn't actually take it here, kind of missed that entry there. So what did we do? Wait for a pullback. Since we didn't take it here, this was a late view. We waited for a pullback, and then we saw price kind of slow down here, like bouncing up the 10 EMA, and kind of holding this support level here. So you can see, which is where I took my first entry. Once we broke this minor wedge here, looking for a continuation, we broke above it. I took my entry with stop loss very tight under the support, and looking to kind of get a gainer there. So we ended up kind of pushing up here. And because these contracts were pretty volatile, once we reached above like this level here, this small push up, we were up 20%, guys. That's pretty good. So that's kind of one thing I was noticing. It really just depends on how volatile the cons are. But ideally, we want to take profit at 40%. But I mean, with such a small move here, 20%, I'm like, yeah, this shit could also shit the bed and cause me a good loss. Let's de-risk here. Plus, it's Friday. I don't want to really risk too much on Friday. So with this small move here, I de-risked 20%. I made 20%, which really ended up, because I got in late a bit later than when it was called out on the group. I ended up securing about 14%. So $14 I secured. And then price kind of ended up coming back down. I didn't really want to risk a lot. It was Friday. I feel like I did good. So I closed a bit more, right? I think I closed one more con here. So $0 profit. And then price kind of ranged and then dropped down. And then I decided, you know what, fuck this. I don't want to be in this trade. I just closed it and lost $12. So pretty much break even trade here. Made about $2 profit. Nothing crazy. Very, just break even. That's fucking nothing. And then as we approach the market close, right after price just kind of retracing back lower, we saw that now we started bouncing off the 10 EMA and was looking very good with the strong closure above, looking at the daily closing above, looking at the weekly closing above. This could very well just start trading overnight to go up higher, right? So when we open Monday morning, we should probably see a nice push up. The daily looks like it can start pushing up. The 4 hour look like it retrace and continue pushing up. The 1 hour holding the support here, looking like it's holding it nicely. We could possibly see a continuation to the upside for a swing. And I entered two cons, but then I closed one as we kind of pushed down a little bit, right? Negative 16, 17%, lost $19. I'm okay with that because I do not want market open to come and then shit the bed and I'm in two cons and I take a massive fucking loss. So I'd rather take that small $19 loss and then just feel a lot more comfortable swinging one con, really. I don't want to lose. Sometimes I get caught up in how much I want to win and how much I could win that I forget on how much I could also lose. So I don't really want to lose a lot, therefore I cut it. And I'm just kind of focusing on the process over the profits for right now. So we'll see what happens, but that was all for Friday. I was just rocking. Other than that, we'll see how Monday opens. I'm gonna go ahead and do some back testing, scan some fucking stocks, do a little bit of studying, kind of get my mental right. But I think we're doing pretty good, guys. Keeping our losses small, and I'm focusing more on how to take actual profits. Therefore, my risk management can make a lot more sense. Other than that, guys, that was a trade review for today. Let's get to it, guys. I'm gonna make this shit happen, and I'm documenting my journey the whole way through. Peace.